Okay, it's time to learn about RNA. We just hopefully learned about DNA, and DNA contains the instructions to make proteins. There are traits, but proteins are made on the ribosome, which is outside of the nucleus. So if you look at this image here, you see DNA, it's inside of the nucleus. Here's your ribosome, this is where the proteins are made. So how does it happen that DNA is on the inside of the nucleus? It's too large to get out. How does that get the message to the ribosome? So it's going to use a little help from a friend. That friend involved in the process is RNA. So if we compare DNA to RNA, there are some noticeable differences. The first is that the sugar in RNA is ribose instead of deoxyribose. RNA is single-stranded compared to DNA that was double-stranded. And RNA is going to contain nitrogen bases. You can see you got cytosine, guanine, and adenine, except RNA has a new base called uracil, and it doesn't have thymine. So thymine's only found in DNA, and uracil's only found in RNA. And then there are 3 different types of RNA. So on the next slide, we're going to look at the different types of RNA. You have messenger RNA, which is abbreviated mRNA. Messenger RNA is going to carry copies of instructions from the nucleus to the ribosome. Ribosomes, which we have just probably shown as dots on a paper up until now, are actually made up of ribosomal RNA, or rRNA. And they're usually strands of ribosomal RNA that are attached to each other and clumped together. Transfer RNA, this kind of looks like a 4-leaf clover type of thing, actually has a really important role of delivering the amino acid, the correct amino acid, to the ribosome, and that amino acid is going to be the building block for the future protein. So just recapping, oftentimes, we just write mRNA. The M stands for messenger. So this is going to be the main way that the message gets from DNA in the nucleus to the ribosome. And then the transfer RNA, or tRNA, is going to bring the amino acid. So I'm going to ask that you watch the video and take notes.